Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokonda, and today we will be learning about multiplying greater numbers. Objective will be understanding how to multiply two-digit numbers or more digits numbers by 2, 3, and 4-digit numbers. So we'll be learning how to multiply two-digit numbers or more, like I said, by 2, 3, and 4-digit numbers. So we're going to start off with the warm-up question. So why don't you guys pause this video and try it out by yourself. Good luck. Did you get a solution? Well, now let's check. So we're doing 345 times 8. So let's do it. 8 times 5 equals 40. So 4 comes up here, then 0 is down here. 8 times 4 is 32. So 32 plus 4 is 36. So 6 is down here and 3 is up there. Now we're doing 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And 24 plus 3 is 27. So we're going to write 27 right there. So our answer here is 2,760. So now that we have warmed up, let's get started with the actual lesson. So we have 136 times 46 here. So as you can see, the smaller number has 2 digits. So that's our lesson today. We will be learning how to do that, how to multiply these kind of problems. So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to separate 46 into 2 pieces. So one's going to be 40, and then the other one's going to be 6. So we're going to set it up first into two different times. So the first time it's going to be 136 times 6. The second time it's going to be 136 times 40. So let's do 136 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 3 goes up here, 6 is down here. 3 times 6 here is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21, so 2 is up here, and 1 is here. And then we have 6 times 1, which is 6, and then we have a 2 here to worry about, so 6 plus 2 is 8. So 816 is part of our answer. The other part we're going to get if we do 136 times 40. So you probably learned this before. We're not going to worry about the 0. The 0 is just, we're going to multiply by 4, and then we're going to add the 0 at the end. So we're going to do 4 times 6, which is 24, so 2 goes up here, 4 is down here, and then 4 times 3, which is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, so 1 is here, then the other 4 is here, and then we're going to do 4 times 1, which is 4, and then we have a 1, so we have a 5, because we're going to add 1 and 4. So we get 544. Now, obviously, you see that we have 0 left. So all we're going to do is we're going to add the 0 at the end. Now, to find the answer to the actual problem, 136 times 46, we're going to add these two numbers. So 5, 440. 440, so 5,440 plus 816. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. 8 plus 4 is 12, so 1 up here, 2 down here. We have nothing to add to 5, but we have a 1 here, so we're going to add that. And then we got 6,256. So that's our answer for this problem. 6,256. Now, we're going to try another problem. This time, I'm going to show a different way. It's pretty similar to the one we did before, but it's also a bit different. So we have 1,239 times 41. So again, we're gonna not separate it, we're gonna set it up this time. So we're just gonna do 1,239 times 41. This way is actually a bit faster, but that one's easier. So you can use whichever one you like. I'm gonna show you this one first. So we have a 1 here. So obviously 1,239 times 1 will be 1,239. So we're going to write that down here. Now, we are going to put a 0 here. Because, like I said before, when you're multiplying, so this is basically us separating it. We're multiplying them separately. We multiplied by 1 right now. Now we're multiplying by 40, not 40. That's why we're adding a 0 at the end. So we're going to do 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is 36, so we get a 3 up here, and then a 6 down here. So I'm going to circle that. Okay. Now we have 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 1's up here, 5's down here. And then we have 4 times 2, which is 8. And then 8 plus 1 is 9, so we just get a 9 down there. Now, oh no, and then sorry, we need to do 4 times 1. So 4 times 1, or 1 times 4, equals 4, so we get a 4 there. Now, we simply, like we did on the last problem, we're going to add. So, let's add. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So 1 goes up here, 0 down here. And then we have 4 plus 1, which is 5. So that means our answer here is 50,000 and then 799. So 50,799 is our answer. Okay, now it's problem time. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to pause this video and try these 2 problems out by yourself. Good luck. Did you get the answers? Well, now let's check if they're right. So first off, we're going to set this up. So we have 4,038. You can do whichever method you like. I'm going to do this one. So first off, we have 1. So that means we're just going to write down the same thing. So 4,038, and then we have a 2 here. So now let's multiply. So we obviously have to put a 0 there. Now we're going to do 8 times 2, which is 16. So 1 goes up there, 6 is down here. Then we have 3 times 2, which is 6. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. Next we have 2 times 0, which is 0. Then we have 2 times 4, which is 8. Now, let's add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 8 plus nothing equals 8. So our answer here is 84,798. That's a huge number. That is our answer. Now, let's do the next one. We have 785 times 43. So, we are going to multiply. So, we have 3 times 5, which is 15. So 1's up there, 5's down here. Then we have 8 times 3, which is 24. And then 24 plus 1 is 25. So 2's up there, 5's down here. And then we have 7 times 3. 7 times 3 would be 21. And then we have a 2 here, so 21 plus 2 is 23. So you get a 23 there. Now I'm gonna erase these because we're gonna use that space for 4. Now let's do it. So we're gonna add. So we have 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. So we put a 2 up there, 0 down here. Now, so I forgot, we need to put a 0 there. Never forget that, that's really important. Now we have 8 times 4, which is 32. So 32 plus 2 is 34, so 3 is up here, 4 is down here. Now we do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. So 28 plus 3 is 31. So we get 31 there. Now let's add. 5 plus 0 is, 5, not 0. Let me change that. So we put a 5 there. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then we get a 3 down. So that is our answer. Our answer equals 33,755. So, is that what you got? Well, comment down on the comment section below how many you got right. If you got both of them, great job. Keep practicing until you perfect it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.